Over the water, fireworks filled the sky. It was one of the many ways the Wharf celebrated its opening, and reviews from its first visitors are promising.
This is incredible.
It's going to be great in the summertime, I think, when it gets a little warmer.
As for Jeffrey of Rockville, he says this is great for the economy.
It's good to see new development in Washington, D.C. and develop this waterfront area that needs some help.
Despite the cold and wet weather, crowds showed up to walk, grab a bite, and see the opening night concert featuring the Foo Fighters at the Anthem.
A lot of people, and every food line is like doubled around.
The Wharf's grand opening continues through Sunday. Along the southwest waterfront, Mike Murillo, WTOP News.